Have you ever wondered how some websites always pop up first when you search something on Google? Well, that's the magic of SEO, search engine optimization. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. SEO is a process that helps websites rank higher in search results. When you type something into Google, like best pizza places, Google looks for websites that have the most relevant and trustworthy information. Websites that are optimized for search engines are more likely to show up at the top. And that's what SEO is all about, making your website the best fit for what people are searching for. But how does SEO work? It's like a game where you follow some rules to make your website more visible. There are three main things search engines look for. Keywords. These are the words or phrases people search for. Quality content. Your website needs useful, fresh content. Links. Having other websites linked to your site boosts your credibility. So why is SEO so important? Think about it. How often do you check the second page of Google search results? Not much, right? If your website ranks higher, it gets more visitors, which means more potential customers, subscribers, or fans. Now, SEO might sound complicated, but the basics are simple. Use the right keywords, create quality content, get good links, and make sure your site works well on mobile. That's how you get started with SEO. And that's a quick intro to search engine optimization. If you found this helpful and want more tips on how to grow online, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.